So today I'm just going to do unboxing for this HomePod Mini that my husband wants in his annual dinner of his company. So I'm just going to do unbox. So apparently he can't use it, only I can use it because he's not like an iPhone owner. He's using like Android Xiaomi phone. So let's check it out. Right, so it's red in color. Alright, I have not used any HomePod Mini before, so this is the size of the HomePod Mini, and I really like the glass view here. Alright, so with a minus and plus to adjust the volume, and it also comes with a charger. Okay, I'm surprised because usually for iPhone they don't give you the charger, right? And with a cable of pink color which matches it pretty well. I'm just going to set it up. I'm really excited. And I was thinking of getting a charger for my iPhone, so I guess I don't have to do it right now. So connecting to it. I guess it needs to be constantly. Let's not try to take out this, okay? So let me just put it on. Hi DJI, follow me. This is my bottle. Alright. Okay. So I'm done. Seeing some light over here. I'm just going to try to connect it to my Bluetooth. Okay, so now I have connected it with my iPhone. So apparently you need to install this app that is called Home, where you just need to scan this HomePod and put it near to it. So it is pretty easy to set up, and now I have linked it to my iPhone. So now let's watch. I have already given this HomePod to recognize my voice, and now I can talk to it like, "Hey Siri, play Westlife music."
Now playing Westlife on YouTube Music.
Alright, so now it is playing Westlife music. I'm just going to ask them to volume down. Hey Siri, volume down. Hey Siri, volume down again. Hey Siri, pause the music. Alright, so let me pause it. Hey Siri, pause the music. Hey Siri, pause the music. Alright, so in order to play this music, I actually connect my YouTube music to the HomePod, and the setting up is pretty simple as well. And it's my 4th day of using it. I think 4th or 5th day. It has been really fun, and I really like how easy it is for me to play the music. There's so much more that this HomePod can do rather than just play the music, but that is my main usage. The sound quality is pretty awesome as well. I'm just seeing if I can add like to-do list. I do not know. Let's try. Hey Siri, can you add a timer of 1 minute for me?
1 minute, starting now.
Okay, so I've tested this before. You can add like timer, you can add like alarm. So it's very useful if you are doing some exercises and you really, the timer would be very helpful for you. So there's one part that I'm using, and now we are just waiting for 1 minute for it to actually kind of like remind us that the time's up. I have not tried to add to the list, so let me just try it. Hey Siri, add a reminder for me to buy meat at 7 p.m. tonight.
Okay, I added by meet for this evening at 7 p.m.
That's awesome. In my phone, I actually seeing that the Home, the app, actually sent me a notification saying that they have already added that reminder into my phone. And I don't know, I felt like it's like a personal assistant, especially if you're really busy and you really like, maybe it's like a ChatGPT. Oh, the timer is up. So can you guys see that? Hey Siri, pause the timer.
There are no timers on HomePod.
Great. Hey Siri, can you check the weather for me in United States, in New York today?
Looks like rain in New York, United States today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 28 degrees, with overnight lows around 22.
That's awesome. So, if you're just like me, you really are using like iPhone. I really think like iPod Mini is really great. I think the speaker quality is really nice because it's like surrounding side, and the one that I got is red in color and it's not too big. It's so cute. Okay, so I hope that you guys loving this review series. And yeah, that's my new backdrop. I'm just newly moved it to my new house, and with this newly renovated home office, thanks to my husband for it. I really enjoy doing videos over here. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.